What is the value of a deal? This is a question that many people ask themselves, especially those who are considering using this platform to hire remote workers. In this video, we will explore the different factors that contribute to the value of a deal, and we will also provide some tips on how to get the most out of this platform. What is a deal? Deel is a global employment platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and manage remote workers from all over the world. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll, benefits, and compliance. This makes it a great option for companies that are looking to expand their workforce or that want to save money on labor costs. The benefits of using Deel. There are many benefits to using Deel, including access to a global talent pool. Deel gives you access to a large pool of talented workers from all over the world. This allows you to find the right people for the job, regardless of their location. Simplified compliance. Deel handles all of the compliance requirements for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. Cost-effective. Deel's services are often more cost-effective than hiring employees directly. Flexible. Deel offers a variety of flexible options, so you can choose the plan that best meets your needs. The factors that contribute to the value of a deal. There are a number of factors that contribute to the value of a deal. These include the size of your company. The larger your company, the more valuable a deal will be to you. This is because Deel can help you to manage a large and distributed workforce more efficiently. The number of employees you have. The more employees you have, the more valuable a deal will be to you. This is because Deel can help you to manage your payroll and benefits more efficiently. The location of your employees. The location of your employees can also affect the value of a deal. If your employees are located in countries with high labor costs, then a deal can help you to save money. The type of work that you do. The type of work that you do can also affect the value of a deal. If you need to hire workers for specialized skills, then a deal can be a valuable resource. The level of experience of your employees. The level of experience of your employees can also affect the value of a deal. If you need to hire experienced workers, then a deal can be a valuable resource. How to get the most out of your deal. There are a number of things that you can do to get the most out of your deal. Choose the right plan. Deel offers a variety of plans, so it is important to choose the plan that best meets your needs. Use Deel's features. Deel offers a number of features that can help you to manage your remote workers more efficiently. Get to know your Deel representative. Your Deel representative is a great resource for getting help and support. Provide feedback to Deel. Your feedback can help Deel to improve its services. The value of a deal depends on a number of factors, including the size of your company, the number of employees you have, the location of your employees, the type of work that you do, and the level of experience of your employees. However, by choosing the right plan, using Deel's features, getting to know your Deel representative, and providing feedback to Deel, you can get the most out of this platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.